Welcomes all of you from my BD teaching channel. Today we will discuss about science, hydrogen gas and its different uses. So you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can easily understand all about this, and also like, share video, subscribe BD teaching YouTube channel for next one. What is hydrogen gas? Hydrogen is available as a natural gas in nature, but in pure form it is highly inflammable. Further, it is also available in the form of isotopes like deuterium, tritium, etc. All these properties of hydrogen contribute to its uses. So, we can easily remember all about this. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. Its atomic number is 1 and its weight is 1.008. It is one of the stable natural gas available in the universe. Besides, it is also part of many biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. So, it has a wide variety of uses as described. So, we can easily remember all about this. Here we will discuss about important uses of hydrogen. Number 1, gas welding. 2, automobile fuel. 3, in petroleum refinery. 4, ultraviolet lamps. 5, production of electricity. 6, as a reducing agent. 7, potentiometry and chemical analysis. 8, structural identification. 9, in gas chromatography. 10, in hot balloons. 11, rocket fuel for space programs. Number 12, mass destructive bombs. So we will go to next, describe briefly about its different uses. Your first use is gas welding. A common use of hydrogen gas is in the gas welding process. It is used in this type of welding to generate a high temperature of 4000 degrees Celsius. This high temperature leads to the melting of metals and thereby joining the broken surfaces. Besides generating heat, hydrogen also acts as a shielding gas. Since metals at a high temperature are very reactive, hydrogen prevents them from reacting with other elements like nitrogen, carbon during the process. This process is also called atomic hydrogen welding. Second use is as a fuel for automobiles. Hydrogen fuel is a zero emission fuel that burns on reaction with oxygen. It is an exciting concept which aims to power the automobiles by use of hydrogen instead of petroleum fuels. This technology is being developed for use in a large scale as a substitute for petroleum oils based engines. The advantage of this technology is the lack of air pollution as there is no harmful gas emitted by engine. The hydrogen fuel cell technology is also used in submarines, bikes, etc. So we can easily remember use of hydrogen gas. Here number 3 use is in petroleum refinery. Hydrogen gas is widely used in the petroleum industry to remove sulfur content. Besides, it is also used for hydromerization, where in normal paraffin is converted to isoparaffin, dearomatization to convert aromatic to cycloalkanes, hydrocracking to break long chain hydrocarbons to shorter ones. In this way, we can remember different use of hydrogen gas. If you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can remember. Here number 4 uses ultraviolet lamps. Hydrogen gas in the form of deuterium is used in deuterium airs lamps. These lamps are used to produce ultraviolet light. These lamps have a tungsten filament which generates heat. The heat in the bulb excites the deuterium atoms H2 which produce light in the ultraviolet region. These lamps are used explicitly in the spectroscopic analysis in labs. So we can easily remember all the use. Number 5 use is as a reducing agent. Hydrogen acts as both an electronegative and electropositive element. This electropositive nature makes it useful in redox reactions. The addition of hydrogen is termed as reduction, while removal is called oxidation. Here number 6 use is in chemical analysis. Hydrogen is used in various methods of chemical analysis. It is used in hydrogen electrode for titration by potentiometry. Here hydrogen gas is passed at a constant speed at 1 atmospheric pressure into the reference electrode. The purity of the hydrogen can affect the analysis of these potentiometric titrations. So we can easily remember different use of hydrogen gas. Here 7 uses in structural identification. Many compounds have complex chemistry. Different methods are used to study the structure and the nature of bonds between the atoms and the molecules. Nuclear magnetic resonance NMR is one of the techniques used which exploits the proton character to define the molecular structure. The technique is also called proton NMR. The presence of hydrogen in many biomolecules is utilized for this purpose. Hence, the presence of hydrogen helps in structural identification. So, we can remember all about this. Here number 8 is gas chromatography. Hydrogen is one of the gas which can be used as a mobile phase in gas chromatography. This method is used to separate volatile substances from a mixture for identification. So we can remember this. Here number 9 uses deuterium for electricity generation. As already seen before, the isotope of hydrogen is used to make heavy water DTO. This heavy water is used in nuclear reactors as a coolant and also nuclear moderator to slow down the neutrons. So we can easily remember all about this. Here number 10 uses in balloons. One of the first uses of a hydrogen gas was in flying hot balloons in the air. Due to its lightweight, low-cost hydrogen gas was used in the air balloons for flight. So we can easily understand it. Here number 11 uses as a rocket fuel for space program. Hydrogen is used as a signature fuel for the American space program. It is a powerful propellant for rockets. It has the lowest molecular weight and is said to burn with extreme intensity. In combination with oxygen, it is said to yield the highest specific impulse in relation to the amount of fuel consumed. So, we can easily understand the use of hydrogen gas. Here number 12 uses in mass destructive bombs. This may not be the use of humans except for destruction, but it has been developed as a powerful weapon of mass destruction. So you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can easily understand what is hydrogen and also its different uses. So you will watch this video from starting to end.